Hello everyone, welcome to visit our video. Today I'd like to share with you this item, artificial single eucalyptus. For this item, the total height is 92 cm and weight is 49 grams. For packing, this item is 48 pieces per box and 240 pieces each carton. For material, the leaves is made of polyester and the flower stem is made of PE with iron wire inside. So let's take a closer look. This item is composed of 11 branches and the leaves is made of two colors, light green with dark green color together. And this item is very hot sale in European market. And for this item, it's very suitable to match some beautiful flowers together for the home decor, office, wedding decoration. So for this item, do you like it?